impressed whatsoever. I don't even have on my personal nails today. Whatever. I really just cannot believe she said no. I just came from an open house in Greer, and I got denied access. Well, they just told me I couldn't film. So, it's really annoying. This is what I meant when I said there's a lot of red tape. Even though I explained to them I am filming my experience at your open house, while also getting highlights of what I loved about the house during the open house. Like, look at me. I come in peace. I bring joy. And I just cannot believe she said no. What do you mean? You never know who will see my video. You have no idea. Do you want this property sold? I mean, that's why I'm there. But still, like, gosh, relax. Girl, get your life. I'm not doing any more open houses in Greer, even though it is Greenville County. I will just not come this direction because, yeah, downtown Greenville, so welcoming and awesome. Every agent I've met, I'm truly grateful for that. Thank you for those opportunities. So it's really annoying and disheartening because it was a beautiful house and I look really cute today. So I plan to go out again tomorrow and visit other open houses and film my experiences there, what I enjoyed, just give my point of view, and hopefully I won't run into the same issue with a hater. Whoa, there's an apple. I need to put this phone down. Pretty cool. On to the next. Tomorrow there are 2 beautiful homes that I would love to see, and I will be filming. Hopefully, if they'll let me, I will be filming those open houses, see what kind of snacks they have, maybe get some free coffee. That would be nice. Follow for more.